So I'm Ben, I'm from Hertfordshire originally, which isn't somewhere you'd expect for someone to end up learning Welsh. I moved to Cardiff about a year ago and I'm my Masters in Welsh Government and Politics. And before that I studied languages at Bristol. So I've always had an interest in languages, but Welsh has by far been the best experience so far. I think partly moving to Cardiff, it's something of respect for the community to show that I'm trying to integrate, but bilingualism has been really important to me. The idea that you can live in a different language and have so many more opportunities. The community just welcomes you in, and there are experiences I've had because I speak Welsh I wouldn't have had had I not learnt it. The best thing is definitely for people. I think we've got to remember that it's not just for language, it's for people as well. And the people you can meet and the friends you can make through using the language. I think I wish someone would have told me it's not as scary as it seems at first. If you go out and use it, no one's going to judge you for making mistakes. They're just going to be over the moon that you have used Welsh with them. So go out and use it. The other thing as well that I wish someone had told me is that you hear a lot of the time the stereotypes that no one speaks Welsh in South Wales or no one speaks Welsh in Cardiff. I've met so many people in so many places in the centre on St Mary Street by starting in Welsh and actually finding out that quite a lot of people do speak Welsh here. So use the Welsh, find people to practice with and just enjoy it. It's yours as well. I have to be completely honest, Dysgu Cymraeg, without them I wouldn't be someone who can speak Welsh today. I started with them in my final year in Bristol. The courses, because I'm under 25, are entirely free for me and I'm very, very, very happy that I've had that opportunity. I did a summer course for 6 weeks as well last summer, and that's given me the real kind of grammar basics, and the teachers have been absolutely amazing. So without Dysgu Cymraeg, I would not be speaking Welsh. It's just as simple as that for me. Oh my God, that's caught me completely off guard. I'm going to say hunaniaeth, because I think it's a cultural phenomenon that I feel very kind of happy that I'm kind of being able to join into the Welsh community, and that's shaping who I think I am and my identity. And I think in Welsh it just captures a bit more than the kind of English very like clinical identity.